Hi, welcome to another MacCaption tutorial from CPC. I'm Dan, and today I'll be showing you some of the subtitle exports for DVD and Blu-ray. Before you export your subtitles though, you should check to make sure your timecode of your captions matches the timecode of your video file. This will become important in your DVD authoring software. Most often, the timecode of the video file is what's used to sync the subtitles. Two of the basic subtitle file formats are a self-contained subtitle file with timecode and text, so it has both your timecode information and the text for your subtitles in the same file. The other format that's pretty common is a subtitle file with images. The subtitle file then only contains timecode, and each timecode refers to a separate image file. Now, there's advantages and disadvantages to both. Basically, doing it with images allows you to work with multiple programs, as I showed in the advanced tutorial. I'll get more into that later. And working with an entire, self-contained file that just has timecode and text in it, that gives you more options for modifying your subtitles and a DVD authoring software. There are some exports here in the DVD Blu-ray subtitles menu. Some of these exports are text only, like Encore V2 is text only. .son for Sonic Creator is text only. And some of them are image only. Blu-ray BDN, the XML export, is image only. Some can go either way though. A STL or an SST, these can be exported with images or as a self-contained file with text. So the first thing I'll just show you is how to do that with an STL. We're going to make a text-based STL. So here's that option for exporting subtitles as images. We'll leave it unchecked for now. Continuous subtitles is usually used for a image export, so we'll just uncheck it for now. And we'll just export that to the desktop. And we'll save. It's pretty quick. And then we're just going to jump right over to DVD Studio Pro. And here's a little project, and this is how you import subtitles. Just right-click, import subtitle file. Go to the desktop, there's the file, choose, and there we go. And if you look here, you can see that the subtitles came in alright. The thing about DVD subtitles, this is images or text, whichever way you're doing it. DVD subtitles only have 4 colors, and if we, click on one of these subtitles in the timeline and bring up the colors menu, you have 4 colors to choose from: text, outline, outline 2, and background. So right now this is set to yellow. We can go to blue, and you'll see it changes up here. We can change the outline 2 to yellow. We can change outline 1 to, I don't know, this greenish color. So yeah, it's pretty easy, and you'll see that the other subtitles haven't actually gotten the attributes of this one. So what you do is this little button here, apply to stream, you click that once, and now all the subtitles on this subtitle track have those attributes. Other options include changing the horizontal and vertical alignment and some other formatting options, which you can also apply those to stream. So yeah, that's basically it for text. Let's go and try a image export. Say this project we had multiple programs. So let's go under subtitle preferences, we'll go up to F. To learn more about this stuff, you can go into the advanced tutorial that we have on our website, but basically London 2 p.m. is on its own track, program F, and the actual subtitles are in program D. And we're going to combine these on export. Since we actually are viewing these individually, we set it in our subtitle preferences, we're looking at these two. When we export, we can have those subtitles combined into a single subtitle stream. So you want to export subtitles as images, and you always want to make sure that you set it to the right size. Oop, this isn't right. I should be doing 720 by 480. Hit OK. You also want to click on continuous subtitles. When using multiple programs, this prevents basically a gap in your subtitles when you have 2 programs on the screen at once. And since this is going to be exporting a bunch of images, we're going to actually make a new folder and call it demo export, put on the desktop. This way I don't, just drop a whole bunch of images on my desktop. Okay, didn't take that long. We'll jump back into DVD Studio Pro. We'll look at subtitle track 2, and we're going to right-click, import subtitle file, demo export. See here are all the TIFF files that the .stl down here is pointing to. So this has all the timecode information, and these are all the images that the STL is pointing to. So hit choose. It's going to import all of them. So if we jump to S1, the old caption disappears. That's from the STL file with built-in text. Go to S2. This is the image subtitle export with the additional with the additional program saying London 2 p.m. So we can actually also change the colors for the images. Basically, it's a paint by numbers kind of thing. So we can, change that to that weird pale color, make the outline red, make another outline black. So the advantage is you can work with multiple programs if you use images. The only disadvantage is you actually can't affect the horizontal and vertical alignment anymore. So that about does it for STLs. There's one more thing I want to show you in MacCaption. You can also, let's go to the subtitle preferences, we'll look at all programs. Blu-ray disc does not have the same limitation as DVD does. DVD limits you to 4 colors. If you're going to Blu-ray, you want to set your image size and set it to whatever HD resolution you're using. I actually don't have a Blu-ray authoring software on here, so I'll just say that if you're using Blueprint, you'll want to do continuous subtitles if you're using multiple programs. And there's other export options for other softwares like Sonic BDJ. And you want to create a folder for your images to actually go into because you don't want them scattering all over the place. And there the export's going. Just take a second. So Blu-ray subtitles actually have more color options, whereas you only can have 4 different colors at once with DVD subtitles. Blu-ray, is much more versatile and uses PNG files. So if I open one of these up here, you can see that the Blu-ray subtitles, they have all 6 colors that I was using in MacCaption. And that's about it. Check out some of our other tutorials for more subtitle export options. See you next time.